Hello and welcome to Brainy Gardener. Today, it is all about how to grow and care for the Compass Barrel Cactus. The Compass Barrel Cactus is a cactus species found in the southwestern United States and Mexico. It is widespread in its natural habitat and usually grows on rocky slopes and canyon walls. The Compass Barrel Cactus is so named because it leans south as it ages. The spines can grow up to 3 inches long and are very sharp. One central spine is surrounded by 3 radials that form a semblance of a crucifix. The central spine is often curved, forming a hook shape. The plant can grow up to around 6 feet tall. The cactus blooms in the spring and its flowers are red on the outside and yellow on the inside. The Compass Barrel Cactus is a popular plant for landscaping due to its unique appearance. Like many of its cousins in the cactus family, it is heat tolerant and does not require much water. This makes it an ideal plant for areas that are dry and sunny. The Compass Barrel Cactus grows best in full sun. It can tolerate some shade but won't grow as well in shadier conditions. If you live in an area with hot summers, this cactus is a good choice for your landscape. Just be sure to give it some protection from the afternoon sun. It can also be grown indoors, in a sunny spot. If you've been growing this cactus in the shade, don't move it to the full sun immediately. Instead, slowly acclimate it to brighter conditions. Sudden changes in the environment are detrimental to the plant. Unlike most cacti, this one needs to be moderately watered to survive. Give particular attention to watering in the growing season. When you do water this plant, be sure to allow the soil to dry out completely before watering again. Overwatering can lead to root rot. The Compass Barrel Cactus is tolerant of a wide range of temperatures. It can tolerate below freezing temperatures if it is not exposed for extended periods. If you regularly experience cold winters, grow this cactus indoors to protect it from harsh frosts. In winter, keep the plant in a somewhat cold location around 50 degrees Fahrenheit to induce flowering in the spring. This cactus does not need high humidity to thrive. It prefers lower humidity levels. If you live in high humidity areas, provide good air circulation around the plant. This cactus does not need much fertilizer to grow well. Too much fertilizer can do a lot of harm. If you decide to fertilize this plant, use a low nitrogen, high potassium fertilizer and apply it sparingly. It's best to fertilize when the plant is actively growing in the summer. The Compass Barrel Cactus can easily be propagated by seeds. In fact, this is the only way to propagate these cacti. To collect seeds, wait until the plant has flowered and fruited. The fruits will dry up and eventually split open, revealing the seeds inside. You want to wait for the fruits to become overripe before taking the seeds, as otherwise they won't germinate. Plant the seeds in a well-draining cactus mix and place them in a sunny spot. Keep the soil moist but not wet until the seeds germinate. Once they're sufficiently grown, move them from the container to their pot and treat them as mature plants. When potting Compass Barrel Cactus, choose a potting mix that's fast-draining. Just make sure that the mix is heavy with nutrients. Ensure the pot has drainage holes. As this cactus grows, you'll eventually need to repot it into a larger container. Pick out a pot that is one size larger than the current one. When repotting, gently remove the plant from the pot and place it in a new one. Fill in around the plant with fresh potting mix and ferment gently. Water well and ensure the excess water drains away. The Compass Barrel Cactus is considered non-toxic to humans or animals. However, the spines can be quite sharp and may cause injury if handled carelessly. This cactus is susceptible to mealybugs, spider mites, and scale insects. It is best to take preventive measures to keep them from infesting your plant. Check the plant regularly for pests. If you find pests on your cactus, you can treat them with a mixture of water and horticultural oil or insecticidal soap.